People have been asking me, does the Jamaican stone really work? And well, of course it does. But be careful, there's all types of people trying to sell all different types of stuff calling it Jamaican stone. But this is the real Jamaican stone right here. It's been used in Jamaica since at least the 60s, probably even longer. It is made from tree sap and other herbs and that. Um, It prolongs sex. If you have a problem with premature ejaculation, it really helps out with that. They've actually used it for circumcisions also, actually. That's how effective this product is. So, when it comes to does Jamaican stone really work? Well, it does for most people, not for everybody. It doesn't solve premature ejaculation, but it really does help. So again, if you're looking for Jamaican stone, if you're having a problem with premature ejaculation, or you just want to increase your sexual, well, try Jamaican stone. Available at wholesale Jamaican stone. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.